Gold futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the time look analysis on the 100 chart. We remain in positive MACD, or slightly off of overbought levels with the RSI. With the 4-hour chart, we are in positive MACD and at overbought condition with the RSI. We remain above the 9-moving average, this blue line, and that is currently at a price of $2,009.30. As with the daily chart, we are in positive MACD and at overbought condition with the RSI. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD. My trade position size for is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $178.95, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $191.38. My stop loss is at $174.18. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $193.87, and that is this range there. My sell target for is at $183.93, and my stop loss is at $199.04. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold futures has a 56% chance to climb between 0 to 4%, 11% chance to climb between 4 to 8%, and to the downside, a 33% chance to fall between 0 to -4%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.